mga chow babies! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para sa iban pang mga updates. Thank you! So today, our lesson is all about how to set up our local web server. So today we are going to use xampp for Windows. So make sure you download the proper installer like this one, xampp. So make sure that the installer is compatible with your computer or laptop. So we have two variation of xampp installer. We can have 32-bit and 64-bit. So it depends on your machine. So you can check your computer on My Computer Properties. So you can check if your machine is a 32-bit or 64-bit. So in my computer, it's a 64-bit operating system. So make sure to download the proper installer. So now, I have the xampp Win32. So let's try to run. Okay, so while we are waiting to install our xampp Win32, so it seems have antivirus running. In some cases, you must lower. Continue installation, yes. Because of the activities user control account on your system function, some possibly restricted. Okay. So next. So we have here server, Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, FTP server, Mercury Mail server, Tomcat, Perl, HPM admin, so on. So just click next. Next. So just uncheck this one. Next. Setup is now ready to begin installing xampp on your computer. Next. So we're gonna wait for a few minutes for the installation of our xampp. So in my case, I have xampp Win32, but it is compatible. So but sometimes if you have, most of the time, if you have the installer 32-bit, it will not work on 64-bit. So the installer, it's not compatible with 64-bit. So but this time, so the xampp Win32 is compatible. Maybe the title only. So properties. Let me check. Compatibility. Run this program. So you can change this one. Windows 7. Run this program in compatibility mode. So actually we can change it. So run, disable this stuff. Run this program as administrator, something like that. So actually you can change the compatibility here. Okay. So while waiting for the installation of our xampp server, Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP, and Perl. So we can also use this for testing and debugging of our website. For example, I will show you later after the installation of our xampp server. It takes a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Naunahan pa siya. 32, 21, So, ayan, naka-install na. So, finish. So, for example, when you use so close muna natin. So, for example, after the installation, you can find it here on your computer, all programs. So, hanapin lamang yung xampp server. So, ayan po. Ayan. So, kung mayroon kayo niyan o wala, or mayroon kayong naka shortcut. So, you can send to your desktop the xampp control panel. So, you can right-click, send shortcut. Desktop. Ayan. Okay? So, meron na tayong shortcut sa desktop. So, we can open that. So, we're going to click the start, the Apache. So, click this one. Okay, it's running. So, the color was changed to green. So, meaning we can use this one. Okay? So, how could we test that the server is working or not? So, punta tayo sa Google Chrome. Okay? So, localhost / enter. Oh, so it's working. So, English, PHP may admin, FileZilla, web. So, let's try this one. Okay. So, error because the PHP SQL is not running. So, we can try this one. CD collection. Ayan. So, in order to run the other files or other SQL, so you need to check this one. MySQL and tsaka Apache. Okay? So, balik tayo dito. PHP may admin. Ayan. Localhost PHP may admin. So, ma-open mo na siya. Okay, now. So, paano natin i-test yung nagawa nating mga HTML files or PHP files? So, punta tayo sa Notepad. Okay. So, we have HTML. So, HTML. So, head. Okay, title. Okay. Tester. Local web server testing. Local web server test. Okay. So, title. Okay. Then, closing ng head natin. Okay. Then, body. So, body. Oh, mali. So, body. /body. /HTML. Okay. So, H1. So, welcome to web server. Oops. Mali ako. Welcome. This is a test of local web server. Okay. This is welcome. Ayan. This is local web server. Okay, let's see. / h1. Oh, problema ko to. h1. Oh. Okay, file, save as desktop. All files. Test.html. Okay, save. So, actually, ma-open naman natin to through web browser. But then, punta tayo doon sa computer, local disk xampp. Hanapin natin yung htdocs. htdocs, yun yung location. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng folder natin. For example, test. Gawa tayo ng test na folder. Ayan. So, lalagay natin itong file. Ctrl X. Lagay natin dito sa loob. Ctrl V. Ayan. Tapos, balik tayo sa web browser. Okay. So, localhost /test.html. Okay. Yan natin. Ayan. So, welcome. This is a test of local web server. So, yun yung pagka mag-set up tayo ng web server. So, make sure na running itong Apache mo tsaka may SQL para hindi ka magka-problema. So, yung Apache server is a local web server. Yung MySQL, para yan sa database mo or may connections ka sa database para mag-run. Although, pwede mo naman siyang i-stop Magra-run naman yung HTML natin pagka wala yun. Ayan. Magra-run naman siya. Ayan. Yung hindi lang mag-run doon tulad nito, PHP may admin. So, hindi siya magra-run. Tingnan mo. Access denied. Kasi hindi siya naka-run dito. So, you need to start this one. Then, try it again. Okay. So, yan. So, yan po yung pag-setup ng local web server. Para pagka nag-create ka ng website, kasi hindi lang naman HTML yung content ng website natin Pwedeng PHP, JavaScript, CSS, and so on. So, maraming mga content or iba't ibang content ng website. So, kaya dapat may local web server ka. So, at laging tandaan na ang paglagay ng mga file mo ay dito sa loob ng htdocs. Kasi pag wala ka sa htdocs, hindi yun magra-run. So, make sure na nasa loob ka ng htdocs. Yan, dito ka sa loob gagawa ng folder mo. Kapag hindi ka gumawa ng folder, pwede rin naman. Pero, ang mangyayari dyan ay localhost / yung file mismo. So, magulo. Kaya, kailangan gumawa ka. Gumawa ka ng sariling folder. For example, folder ng pangalan ng website mo or any other name ng folder na related doon sa work mo. Okay? So, tandaan lang na laging nasa htdocs ang mga files natin para mag-display doon sa web server. So, ayan. So, ayan siya. So, although, yung HTML file kasi kahit wala kang web server, nag-run yun. Pero, paano kapag PHP? Diba? Paano pag PHP? So, try natin lagyan ng PHP, no? So, PHP na sample code. Wait lang, lagyan natin. Edit natin to, modify natin. Lagyan natin ng PHP code. So, lagyan natin yan. So, we have syempre, hindi na yun magra-run kapag walang web server. So, question mark PHP. And then, question mark. Ayan. So, kailangan mo dyan ay magra-run yan kasi nasa loob naman siya eh. Ayan. Lagyan natin. So, ano idadagdag natin? So, for example, magdadagdag tayo ng other commands or syntax. No? So, maglalagay tayo ng $sign. $sign is a variable. Variable. $sign. Parang $sign siya yung mag-hold ng variable. For example, name. Equals. So, iyan. Iyan siya. Okay, semicolon para ma-terminate siya. So, echo para display natin yung PHP code. So, echo $sign name semicolon. So, try natin. So, dapat may break to eh. Ano yung next? Echo so, mamaya, tingnan natin kung ano yung pwede natin ilagay dyan, ha? Pwede rin sa loob to ang PHP mo na code. Pwede mo itong ilagay dito sa loob ng body. Pero later on, try natin. So, try natin i-reload. So, it's not working. Save ba natin yan? Nag-log siya. Nag-log na yung laptop. Hindi siya yan. Na-save ko ba yun? Save. $sign. Okay. Kaya siya ayaw kasi hindi siya PHP. So, save as natin na bago. Test 2. Kaya hindi siya mag-display kasi hindi siya PHP. .php. Okay. Save natin doon sa saan natin sinave kanina. Punta tayo doon. Sa computer xampp htdocs test. So, ilagay natin siya dyan. Okay. Ayan. So, para ibang file siya. Okay? Palitan natin to. .php. Okay. So, error. htdoc line 2. Name $sign echo. Bakit mali siya? Question mark PHP. Tama naman. Line 2 ang mali. Hindi ko alam kung saan namin. So, okay. Pwede naman natin ilipat to sa loob ng body. Try it natin. So, lipat natin sa loob ng HTML. Save. Reload. File save. Naku po. Reload. Ayan. Diyos ko. Naku po. Kaya mali. Okay. So, for now, yun na muna, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano yung set up yung web server. Tapos, ang next lesson natin, PHP. Tapos, gagawa rin ako ng tutorials about dun sa, sa SQL. So, for now, ito muna, yung pag-set up muna ng web server, local web server. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo, no? Kahit konti. At At huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button para sa iban pang mga updates. Thank you. And aabangan nyo na lang sa susunod kong mga video. Gagawa akong tutorial about dun sa PHP, HTML, tsaka MySQL. Bye!